So question 1B, describe how the Battle of Badr helped the Prophet spread the message of Islam. These questions are asking you to describe the events of Battle of Badr, but instead is asking you that how did the Battle of Badr help the Prophet spread the message of Islam? How did it allow him to spread it far and wide? So this is a 3-marker and it's a description question. And the formula we use is point, explain, explain. So that's 1 mark there, that's another mark, another mark. That in total comes to 3 marks. If you were to make 3 points, you will only get 1 mark. If you do point and explain, get 2 marks. So let's look at an example of this answer and break it down. The Battle of Badr helped the Prophet spread the message of Islam by showing that Allah exists and is supporting the Muslims. Okay, that's your point. Okay. That's your point. That's your first part. So he's saying that it helped the Prophet spread the message of Islam by showing that the existence of Allah and Allah is supporting the Muslims. An explanation is, this is because during the battle, meaning during the Battle of Badr, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala provided assistance through the angels to defeat the enemy, as the Muslims were outnumbered and had only 313 men. So that's the explanation. From here, we're showing the examiner we understand the battle, what happened in the battle. And we're using our understanding of the battle to explain how it spread the message of Islam. And last one, building on the answer, the assistance of Allah helped spread the message of Islam, as now the conviction of faith grew in the Muslims and they will spread it further. So I've built on the answer, the point, existence of Allah. How? Because Allah's assistance came, and because of Allah's assistance came, this helped spread the message of Islam. Always important to use the words from the question. Spread the message of Islam. I've used it over here. Spread the message of Islam. Spread it further. Spread the message. Okay, so I've used it 3 times in this to ensure that there's relevance to it. Other answers could have been the Battle of Badr helped the Prophet spread the message of Islam because they showed the characteristics, the qualities, the prisoners of war were treated nicely, they were treated fairly, they were given food, they were given clothes, and as a result of this, the message of Islam was spread because of their treatment of the prisoners of war. Okay. So this is the example answer for question 1B. Point, explain, and making sure you are answering the question about Prophet spreading the message of Islam and not just describing what happened in the Battle of Badr.